Alrighty guys, so for this XP glitch you want to load into creative, so go to this, then hit island code, and you want to type in this code exactly how I put it. So it's going to be 697314949382, and then you want to hit enter, and you're going to see this more 1v1 build fights with this XP button and this XP 8 max players with this island code. You want to make sure this picture matches up and hit play, and then change it to private and then hit play and load in. And I'll see you guys as soon as we're loaded in. Also, if you want a gifted skin, make sure to use code Baylor1x in the item shop and leave a comment with your epic. Alright guys, so now that we're loaded in, we're going to be in this lobby and we want to make sure this is what it looks like. It's going to have this galaxy around us and this Xbox, Windows, PS4, and Nintendo Switch. Another thing that you want to look for is on the left side of your screen, it's going to say XP Awards XP. That symbol just means that you can get XP on this map and that XP is enabled. If that disappears, then that means XP is not available. So just make sure that's there. Now to start the map, at the bottom of your screen, it's going to say auto starts in like 59 seconds, and that's going to count down. You can either wait for that to count down or go to settings and hit the gear icon and start game yourself, just like that. And that will respawn you and send you right to this world. Now as soon as the game starts, you're going to be in this box right here. And the very first thing you want to do is you just want to make sure this matches up, and you want to go through here into the exit. And it's going to spawn you right onto this map, as you guys can see. And you want to look around and just make sure these are your surroundings. What I like to do is I like to first pick a color, just so that it usually looks nicer when you pick a color. So I'm going to use this orange, and then I'm also going to go grab a rifle and a grappler. So I'm going to take this grappler, or this rifle, and then this grappler. That way I have something to move around and something to shoot with. And then we're going to look for the primal gun. So this is the primal shot or AR right here. And then you want to look to the left, and then you would want to build 13 floors. This is going to be the first XP glitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And as soon as you do that, you want to go to the left 2 floors. So 1, 2, and then you want to go to the left 1 more. As you guys can see in the middle, there's going to be this XP button. And as you guys will see, as soon as you press that, you're going to start to get a bunch of XP. And it's going to start to add up, as you can see on my screen. You're going to start to get a bunch of XP, and it's going to keep on adding up. Now that one didn't give me as much, but that's because I've already gotten a bunch of XP today, and I'm at my max. But you guys will definitely get a lot more. Alright, for the next XP glitch, you want to find this jump button. It's going to be over here in this corner. You want to come all the way over here and go over to it. And then basically right on the button, you're going to see an XP button. You just want to go and hit it, just like so. And as soon as you press it, you're going to start to get a bunch of XP, just like you see on my screen. This one's going to give a little bit more, but it's going to keep on adding up. So this one's given significantly more. Like I said, you guys will get a lot more if you haven't done a bunch of XP glitches today. But real quickly, before we move on to the next one, I have a word for you guys. Okay, real quickly before we move on, I want you guys to know that if you want exclusive XP glitches and ways to level up, I actually do have a Patreon that you guys can sign up for to get special access to secrets, where you can get extra XP and levels that I don't actually show in my YouTube videos. It's only $4.99 a month, and you get literally so much access to level up. You can probably get to level 100 in one day with it. These are XP glitches that I can't actually put in my YouTube videos. So go to the link in my description if you want any access to any of these things. Okay, now back to the video. Alright, so you guys are going to have to bear with me because these next ones are a little complicated. So you want to find the player counter, which is going to be right here. And then you want to go to the corner left of it. So we're going to go over here. And what you want to do is you want to come all the way to the corner. And then instead of building out this way, you actually want to turn around and face the player counter. And then you want to put 6 ramps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you should be right here. Now what you want to do is you want to jump up, turn around, and place a floor, just like so. And then what you're going to do is you're going to basically go 6 ramps in this way. So basically what you did is you went 6 ramps this way, then a floor, and then 6 ramps this way. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you're going to place a floor right here, and then at the end over here somewhere, yeah, right there, you guys are going to see in the sky there's going to be another XP button. So as soon as you press that, you're going to run through the XP button, and as you guys can see, we're going to start to get some more XP, and it's just going to keep on adding up like you guys can see on my screen. And this one's going to give a lot of XP, and yeah, so as you guys can see, we're getting like 6,000 XP each time. Like I said, you guys will probably get a lot more than me, but I've already done XP glitches today. And now I do have one more XP glitch for you guys. So this one's gonna be through one of the map portals. I don't exactly remember which one. All right, so I double checked and it is actually this one right under the player counter. So what you wanna do is you wanna place 8 ramps. So starting back here, you're doing a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8, and then 8 floors out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you actually just want to keep going until you see this, and it is going to be 8 because then you're going to break those, and then you basically just to make it easier, just go till you can't go anymore, and then just break this first or this last full one, and then these 2 will break, and then you'll be on this, and then you just want to break one more out, and you guys are going to see there should be a button. If not, it's actually 2 out, so it's actually going to be 2 floors this way, and you're going to see there's going to be a button right here. And as soon as you press this one, you guys are going to see, just like all the other XP glitches, you guys are going to start to get a bunch of XP, just like you can see on my screen, and it's just going to keep on adding up. You guys are going to get a ton of XP. So yeah, it's really worth it. And yeah, we almost leveled up just from that. Now if you want, guys, you can actually go to settings, you can end the game, and then you can restart it and get more XP. But yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want access to secret XP glitches and maps that I can't put in videos because they're too OP, make sure to check out my Patreon link in description. And use my code Baylor when next in the item shop, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.